Yesterday we started writing our analytical responses, and I helped you guys, and we worked together to create the introduction. We talked about our enduring understanding, we put it in our own words, and we set up for today's paper. Okay, now what I want you to do is look at the brainstorming sheet from yesterday. This is Lupe's. Yesterday we created several positive emotions that were associated with love and some negative emotions that were associated with love. I want you to pick one emotion today that you're going to focus on for your paper. It can be from the positive side or the negative side. I'm going to add one to Lupe's list for today. I'm going to pick fear, okay? And I'm going to pick that from my sample today, okay? So I'm going to say fear is the emotion that I'm going to focus on. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to think, well, what piece of writing featured fear? Do you remember any of our essays that had fear?
Oh, the book. Yeah.
That we read recently, either Romeo and Juliet, Love in a Hopeless Place.
Romeo and Juliet because she didn't like it.
Oh, yes, Love in a Hopeless Place. Why?
Because she was scared to love somebody.
She's scared to love somebody. Perfect. So I'm going to go to my paragraph. I'm going to set this up. Fear, and the first thing I want to do is introduce the emotion, right? And I need to explain that emotion. So fear is an emotion that can control a person. And what else could we say? It can control you and what? Prevent you from doing what? Yeah, from chasing after your dreams or from going after what you want. From chasing your dreams or following your emotions. Okay, good. Chasing your dreams. Okay, so now I need what? If I've introduced my emotion, I have to do what?
Evidence.
Evidence, perfect. So let me introduce my text.
Yeah, point for them, right?
Yes. In the story, Love in a Hopeless Place, Calantha, remember that's the girl who's writing the journals. Calantha is scared or fearful of falling in love. Oops. Falling in love. So now I go to my text for my textual evidence, right? What does she say here? In her text, she says,
I think it's second page.
you think it's on the second one?
Yeah, it is.
Let's take a look. Because what doesn't she think happened? Oh, right here. You're right, it is on the second page. All of this, and still I cannot shake my fear. I want to let myself fall for him. I can't see him doing anything to make me cry. I will cry, but it'll be of happiness, I know. What makes me and him different than everybody else? So she's fearful that what could happen? He could
hurt her.
Good, he could hurt her, break her heart. So falling in love. She states, and then I'm just going to put my quote, right? Word for word. Like she states, all of this, and still I cannot shake my fear. I would go on right here and write the entire quote, okay? I'm not going to do it in front of you because it's pretty long. After I have my entire quote, what do I need to do after that? Do I leave it?
Yeah.
I explain it, thank you. I explain it. So I could say, this shows, this tells, this describes, this proves, right? Like, I'm going to say, this shows Calantha is hesitant because she doesn't want to have her heart broken.